Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to export short images for Lightroom for Instagram. So first, all you have to do is go to Lightroom or install Lightroom and then create an account. You can create an account using this ways and methods right here, but for me, the easiest is by connecting to your Google. And this is the Lightroom interface. So you need to edit your photo as usual. You need to upload it right here, and you have to make sure that you have applied your basic edits. So use Lightroom to apply your basic edits. Apply sharpening in the detail panel, for example, the amount 70/80, radius 0.80 to 1.0, for example, detail 25 to 50. Use masking, hold Alt Option to limit sharpening to edges. Actually, it depends on your photo too. So all you have to do is go to the right side and then try to decrease, increase, and then adjust this according to whatever you want or for the best result. Now it's time to crop dimension. So most popular Instagram export sizes, I'm going to show you now the format, resolution, and the aspect ratio. So here it is, the square, portrait, landscape, carousel. You can see your resolution and the aspect ratio. And all you have to do is to follow this one. Okay, for example, this carousel, all images must watch, use 4, 5, 1350, 1080 for vertical impact. After that, you can now go back and then export settings for sharpness. So step 3, you can now export settings for sharpness. You can use this export settings. So file settings, format, JPEG, color space, sRGB, quality 7685, safe range for Instagram. For image sizing, check resize to fit, long edge, set long edge to 1080 for square, 1350 for portrait. So as with the resolution here and also the output sharpening, you can check the following here. You can follow this one. So once done, you can now export. So export and transfer, you can send it to your phone using AirDrop, Google Drive, upload manually from the Instagram application, avoid filters or re-edits in app, use a caption plus alt text to improve accessibility. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.